mga kay na undang ang ato live kalita kaputol ang internet. Tapos mga ta sila na internet nanang naputol man. Wow, malagalit. Sa nato mga viewers, please comment inyong mga request. We have a song. Sa mga comment nga na I can't stand to fly. I'm not that naive. I'm just satisfied. The better part of me, more than a bird, more than a plane, more than some pretty face beside a train. And it's not easy to be me. Wish that I could cry, fall upon my knees, find a way to lie about a home I've never seen. It may sound absurd, don't be naive. Even heroes said the right to bleed and maybe disturb. Oh, won't you concede? Even heroes said the right to dream. It's not easy to be me. A better way away from me. It's alright. Love sleeps out tonight. I'm not crazy or anything. I can't stand to fly. I'm not that naive. Men were meant to ride with clouds between their knees. I'm only a man with really red cheeks, only a man for heart dream. Only a man with funny red cheeks, looking for special things inside of me, inside of me, of me, inside of me, inside of me. Salamat sa atong mga tahi karong adlaw. Ako sa mga request nga na, why mga request? Loy ba kayo nato eh? Asa naman itong mga nagkanangkuan? Nananaw ganina? Karon usa na lang gid ko. Si Dodang sa daos. Loy. Oh, we have another song. Isa yung mga kanang kanana, request lang mo ha. Kung sa gusto ninyo, kung sa gusto ninyo kantahon nako. Say you've been overseas. Thank you, Doc Jalen. lingaw Doc Jilan. My aficionade, I say I've been working late, working overtime. Haven't seen the sun since '69. Does the moonlight shine on Paris after the sun goes down? The London Bridge is falling. Will anybody hear a sound? If you follow that sunset, will it ever end? Does the moonlight shine on Paris? Oh, oh, and you just walked away. Was it something that I said? I see only black and white. You see green and red. You believe in miracles, water into wine. I believe what it makes the New York Times. Does the moonlight shine on Paris after the sun goes down? If the London Bridge is falling, will anybody hear a sound? If you follow that sunset, will it ever end? Or does the moonlight shine on Paris? Will it ever end? Kaya kay sponsor Bin kay Kuan Bibo. Eh, mura sa Bibo nagkanta-kanta. Wa pa may Bibo. Gusto naman ako mo kanta. Mura sa kong nas Bibo. Does the moonlight shine on Paris after the sun goes down? If the London Bridge is falling, will anybody hear a sound? If you follow that sunset, ever end? Or does the moonlight shine on Paris? Will it ever end? Will it ever end? Ambot asa na to yung sticker bin, wala ko kay bao. Murag na pa man to, pangitaon ko lang to. Teril. Hi Teril. Asa mga karon Teril na ka sa Ormoc? Exchange of Hearts. Yay, wala. Kuha na nung sa ng Exchange of Hearts Teril. Ito no anate. Alaw bitaw matud nila. Suoy na itong matud nila. Ato pa yung yung matud nila. Matud nila. Matud nila, request ni Dong Marvin. DJ Marvin Sniper. hilak man sa tani. Bin. Matud nila ako. Waji angay ay na lang Nalain Di madaw Di jud angay. Matud nila ikaw dili malipay. Ay, shout out Irish Gallardo. Request nga na. Mabito nila kauti. Itata kay kuan man na may sponsor. Shout out sa mga Ninja Warriors from Ninja Band, the Dapon Couple. Lain na lang Oh, lagi lain mo tungkol. Matud nila na request nila Kanina lang. Yeah, red horse na lang ko ang pin. Bagas GM mag si shoot. Ang among balay, ang among ato, ang among bintana, ang among pultahan, ang among kwarto, ang among bumbong, ang among hagdanan. Perting lingina. Ang among lamisa, ang among bangko, ang among aparador, ang among lantay, ang among kabinet, ang among takore, ang among kutsilyo, perting lingina. Inabuhi lingi. Ulo ang akong mata, ang akong ilong, ang akong baba, ang akong dugan, ang akong puso, ang akong piriko, perting lingina. Request na mo tayo ka ng hanggan. Lingit. Ang amok puro kinabuhi lingi ang tanan sa kalibutan lingi. Oo, when si Cornejo di ay bitaw ato suwayan. Mo kayo may bawa ng when si Cornejo aw ka ng on. Kanina lang. Kanina lang tingin ko kay bawa tong hanggan. What is life to offer me when I go home? What is there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? They say it's difficult, yes sir, you're typical. What's there beyond sleep, eat, work, this cruel life? Ain't there nothing else round here human strife? Say it's difficult, yes sir, you're typical. Gotta be conventional, you can't be so radical. So I sing this song to all of my age, but these are the questions we've got to face. We're in this cycle that we go line, we are the ones who are next in line. We are next in line. When I go home. Oy, nalumaan na rin. Baning ko. They say it's difficult, yes sir, you're typical. Gotta be conventional, can't be so radical. So I sing this song to all of my age, for these are the questions we got to face. We're in this cycle that we go line, we are the ones who are next in line. Let's open our eyes and do whatever it takes. We've got to work, we've got to feel. Open our eyes. Oh, sing this song to all of our age. For these are the questions we've got to face. Suporta na ka titata, oh. That we don't lie. We are the ones who are next in line. Thank you sa ako avid supporter si Tata, daghang salamat sa imo support nako. So subscribe na sa ako YouTube channel ha. Kita ka sa ako YouTube channel, pilay supporters. 26 pa nakabuo. 26 ba? Sakto ba? Oh, asa ka na? Jadi ka ma-support na ako. 28 na day, 28 na day. Hey Rims, sagana i-research di ka license of Kwan. Pero na ba kay Kwan sa Kwan no? Oh, sa mga kuan nato nga na viewers, ako ni gihimo para to entertain ninyo o to entertain myself sad. Gimingaw na ko video sa Vivo. Asa naman ang Vivo? Support natin kay para managan ako subscribers. Buntagay rabi ko karon kay maghimo pa ko sa PBC ID. Asa na to ang mga QR code? Patay jud ko aning dudang. Unsa ba? One look. Ambot pagkakuha ba ko anong one look? May rims? Parokya na Edgar. Aw, one look one man day na. Your song man day to. One look. Kahit kaya ng buwan ay kaya na sa dughan. Sa may request na ito gada, itata. Ana, may rims. A birthday day karon ni Eloisa di ay mo day. Init na ang iyong kapit, tuloy-tuloy ang ngig. Nawawala ang alaala, mawala ang sakit. Sakit kayo sa dughan eh. Di kaya bay. Karas pas tutunlan. Shout out. Oy, happy birthday Sophia. Shout out. Happy birthday Sophia. Sabi ang puso mo ay balik ng buwan sa hangin, sabik ng mga salarin. Hindi mo na maalala kung saan ka pupunta. Ay. Happy birthday day ko no sa iyang hugot na amigo ni Kyo Walter o ako sa barkada sa college ni Clark Macariola. Kano sa birthday ni Clark? Karon? Karon birthday ni Clark? Daga na bag birthday karon ay. Oy, happy birthday sa Eloisa. Ano sa ko ng birthday ni Eloisa? Karon sa gyapon? Hi, Nay. Ako, nanay, very supportive. O, lagi, Nay, magkuha na ko karon, maghimo na ko karon sa kanang QR. Sakit kaya sa dugan ng request na ibayirim so eh. Ay, Ma'am Maricho. Masa request ni mo, Ma'am Maricho? Bitaw, ako na iniilisan ako kung ano may natakna sa Kalingawan. Bitaw. Nawa ng takna sa Kalingawan sa Ormoc. Ako to invite on si Tito Pips. Narasad. Ganina ra. Kuya Jis, ganina ra ang kanang matud nila gikanta nako. Wa ka kaabot. Kuya, nanawag mga kuya mo, mukanta sad ka nga ni. Kanina lang ato kantahon be. Oh, di ba? Bijoki kayo ka ng ambience ba? Welcome sa Bibo, Barkada, KTV Bar. Sine, sine, wala tay lain lingaw. Kandila, layo sa habol kata. Wang binayran og pisong kinawat sa gubaong ti. Kakang lola anino sa mga artistang papel. Ihingan lantag si Pedro Sabel, silang bida ni atong istorya sa gugmang away katumanan. Sine, sine sa bata pa, di na unta matapos pa. Isan pa man sa pagdagan sa panahon. Mao niya mo permanente katahon sa mo banda sa una sa college ni ana ni Abay Remy. Abay Remy, sasa naman ka? Kalang tao makasakay. Ang nailhan nila na permanente mag-shades magkanta ba? Tagan sa panahon, panahon. Rock Garden. Tag naman og load. Ay magpa-raffle ko kaniya ko pa-raffle. Ganahan mo? Kani, raffle lato. Ganahan kaninay? Kanang baby Groot ba mo naman lang nabili na ako. Ang kinabuhi sulianong hiwi, talipay kasakit ug kalami. Silang bida ni ning salida sa gugmang away katumanan. Sine, sine, sine sa bata pa, di na unta matapos pa. Bisan pa man sa pagdagan sa panahon, tantawon mga eksena nga mo labay. Tanan tao makasakay, saksihan ta ang pagdagan sa panahon, panahon. Oy, rapul. Ato na iparapul. Salamat, Abay Remy. Abay Remy, salamat kayo. May tag maka-kwanta eh. Magka-jam tapuhon ba? Sine, sine, sine sa bata pa. Jam tapuhon, Abay Remy. Kinala kong kanus Pero di pa kakatabok, kaya naman kasabaybay. Tita, asa naman ka, tita? Wala ko kita ni mo, tita, ta. Wala yung mga request nga na. Uy, out muna ako, no. salamat. Daghang salamat, daghang salamat. Noong bata ka pa, si Darna ang ginagaya. Minsan na may nagbibistida sa laruan, manika ang napagtipan. Asa to'y Mortis tita? Ayaw mo na ang baril. Bitaw no, your love no. Di ka nila sinasali, di ka raw tunay na lalaki. Tatay mo na ikaw magundalo, pero babae ang puso mo. Ay Antisita, mayong isa naman nga na, mayong gabi from Ormoc City, Philippines. Ante, naminaw rin ka. Pag-request ante yun sa'yo, gusto niyo mo nakantahon na ako ante. Request, kahit na ano ang gusto mo, wala ka bang tinatapakan na tao? Ituloy mo lang ito. Ang mahalaga, ikaw ay masaya. Huwag mong intindihin ang sasabihin ng iba. Sila ang may problema. Magkataglain. Ay nag-request. Yeah. Oy, hi Prejonel. I love you. Kani, ato na sa lisod kay namati ako Antisita. You're the one who never let me sleep. Through my mind down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. You're here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. And I'm all alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. Flowers bloom, the morning shine, and I can see your love is like sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Paggabi pa dahil gihapon ko no sa asa to yun ante sa France. Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through. And in my mind I can't believe it's true, but in my heart the reality is you. And I am all alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can't see. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows out to my veins. I feel the chill inside. Love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows out to my veins. I feel the chill inside. London, England. We have a viewer from London, England. Hi, Auntie Sita. Subscribe na ka sa konti. Login pa mo account sa YouTube. Usa ka maka-subscribe. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows out to my veins. I feel the chill inside. Oi, my fellow Mulberrians. Watay sound sa nabay ka nang sa Mulberrians na composition. Wailingaw mo na ni kabutangan sa Wailingaw. Mga request ba? We have a request, another request. Request ni Antisita from London. There's your request. Nang ika'y ibigin ko, mundo ko'y biglang nagbago. Akala ko ika'y langit, yun pala'y sakit ng ulo. Sabi mo noon sa'kin, kailan may di magbabago. Naniwala naman sa'yo, ba't ngayon'y iniwan mo? Di ko alam dahil sa'yo, hindi makakain, di rin makatulog buhat na iyong lupongin. Kung ako'y muling ibig, sana na'y nanulat mo, tulad mo naman isang bato. Kahit saan ka man ngayon, dinggin mo itong awitin. Baka sakaling ika'y magising, matigas ang damdamin. Tayo man lang mong request ni Tata sa Walter hanggang karon-karon. Di rin makatulog buhat ng iyong lupongin. Kung ako'y muling iibig, sana matulad mo, tulad mo na may pusong bato. shout out sa mga Ninja Van or Monk, labi na sa akong close friend ni Kuya Walter, Darson, Jerry Kayanong, Atan Kataag, Richard Nanti Akol, Randy, Jik, Junroy, Bugoy, Manulat, Ruel, Bargyo, Norman Aporto, Jason Kambay, Tipi, mga Ormoc Zero. Iibig sa'y di maging katulad mo na may pusong bato. Di mo alam dahil sa'yo ako'y di makakain, di rin makatulog buhat na iyong lupogin. Kung ako'y muling iibig sa'y di maging katulad mo na may pusong bato. Salamat. Mana ito bandayan. Oh, kanang sa pati. Nangadjust ka. Sunod request. Sunod request. Hintay, nakanta na ako ang pusong bato. Ako lang to panindot ang sunod. Kumurag, aras pa ako tutunlan. Hanggang. Karon na, ito na ako na. Nakita ko hanggang nakaraoke. Ante, subscribe ko sa YouTube channel, ante. Na Elshade Arenio na nako'y 28 subscribers. Yeah, we have another song, Hanggang by Winsy Cornejo. Ilang ulit mo ba tinatanong sa'kin kung hanggang saan? Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan magtatagal ang aking pagmamahal? Hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig. Hanggat may musika kong tinataglay, ika'y iniibig. Diliwang mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawa tumayo sa iyong piling, at nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Ay, Dandel. Hanggang kailan ang diwa ko tanging sa'yo lang mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig ko'y hanggang walang hanggan, tanging ikaw lamang. Hanggat may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa aking daigdig, hanggat may musika akong tinataglay, ika'y iniibig. Iliwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawa lumayo sa iyong piling, at nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. salamat sa ato subscribers, sa mga viewers nato. Request lang mo ha, request kung kaya na ako kantahon, pero kung dili kaya mo sulti man ko. Hanggat may puso ako, marunong magmahal, na ang sinisigaw ay lagi nang ikaw. Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan kita mahal, hanggang ang buhay ko'y kunin ng may kapal. Giliw, wag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawa, tumayo sa iyong piling, hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. That was Hanggang by Wency Cornejo. It's back to our background music. Ano yung reklamo ang silingan na to, ano eh. Karon nga to na sa ato, love stories of the night. Na may mga hinanaing sa pag-ibig. Mga problema sa gugma. Kay ato na istoryahan. Kay wa ko'y labot. Kay inyo na problema sa gugma. Mangita pa kong kanta na kantahonon. Ayaw ko problema sa gugma, kay nasa ko problema sa akong gugma. Ikisaba na gali ko ganhi, kay saba ko na kay ko. Pero kung mag-video kayang silingan na buwan, ako naka-headphone gani ko. Saba gihapon. Sige lang. Oh, request. Asa na to? Shout out sa ako, Tiyo Poldo. Oy, namatis Tiyo Poldo. Nasa likod sa kapilya sa Ocean View. Daga na mag-birthday karon kay Walter. Dagan kay birthday da. Angels. Sama ng Angels. Di ko kay bawa ni Dan. Naklaro ko kug mo. Isaban kong dudang ti. Isaba ko no kay ko. Problema juga ni Dan. Kay wa ko'y uyab. Kaya na naman ko'y asawa. Here's another song. May nag-request. Ako na lang yung mag-request ako kaugalingon. Our song by Sleeping Space. Hi, Nay. Thank you sa support. It's her hair and her eyes today that just simply takes me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way. All the times I've sat and stared as she thoughtfully thumbs her hair, and she purses her lips by the right cheek, with me sitting there like you're nothing to say. 'Cause I love her all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hand. I'm fighting to see she's what? And I'm my league once again. This masterful melody, as she calls out my name to me, as the world spins around her, she laughs, rolls her eyes, and I feel like I'm falling, but it's no surprise, 'cause I love her all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hand. Friday to be swimming in the strange sea, but I'd rather be here than on land. Yes, she's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again. It's her hair and her eyes today that just simply takes me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way. All the times I have sat and stared as she thoughtfully thumbs her hair, and she purses her lips back to rise, with me sitting there like you're nothing to say. 'Cause I love her all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hand. 'Cause it's frightening to be swimming in the strange sea, but I'd rather be here than on land. Yes, she's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again. Oh, sakto jud kay Nightingale. Kay gabiin na niya Nightingale. Hindi lagi ko kay baw sa mga kanta na yung may ikon dan. Salamat sa ato mangantay karong adlaw na ako lang gihapon. Dan, wakoy kanang kuan dan. Wakoy kanta na nahibaw-an na imo gi-request. Kuan na lang ato kantahon. Di ako gi kanang kuan. Do it all, everything on our own. Kada sakto ng Monday. We don't need anything or anyone. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Don't quite know how to say how I feel. sweet words are said too much, they're not enough. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Get what we've done before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life. Let's waste time chasing cars around our head. I need your grace to remind me to find my own. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we've told before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life. All that I am, all that I ever was, is here in your perfect eyes. They're all I can see. I don't know where, confused about how or swim. Just know that these things will never change for us at all. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Yes, we have another request by Dandel. Dan, ato ni Swag kanta, kantahon ni nako. Kaning una nimo na nasabtan nako, nakaya nako na request nimo. I remember all my life raining down as cold as ice. Shadows of a man, a face through a window, crying in the night. The night goes into morning just another day. Happy people pass my way, looking in their eyes, I see a memory. Never realized happy you made me, oh Mandy. You me and gave me without taking what I go. And I sent you away, oh Mandy. And you kissed me and stopped me from shaking. And I need you today, oh Mandy. Standing at the edge of night, I walk away when love was mine. Caught up in a world of uphill climbing, tears are in my mind, nothing is rhyming, oh Mandy. You came and you gave me, I'll take it. And I sent you away, oh Mandy. Will you kiss me and stop me from shaking? And I need you today, oh Mandy. Yesterday's a dream, a face in the morning, crying on the breeze. The pain is calling, oh Mandy. Well, you came, you gave it, I'll take it. But I sent you away, oh Mandy. Will you kiss me and stop me from shaking? And I need you today, oh Mandy. You gave it, I'll take it. And I sent you away, oh Mandy. Kiss me and stop me from shaking. And I need you. Ako ni Soya kanta kaning mo simply Jessie ha. Request ni Joy Vincent Motel. Oh, non-stop singing. Ibalik ang Vivo. And I don't know how I knew it, but I knew it somehow. You're the answer to the question no one answered till now. What no? And I don't know what you see, what you see in me. Girl, it's nothing to what I see in you. Stars that listen, lips for kissing. Honey, listen, it's true. No one ever loved you better. I love you, honey. Daghang salamat sa atong miambit sa ila oras karong gabi na. I've known a girl or two, but no one them was you. They could never be what you are to me. Start that listen, lips for kissing. Honey, listen, it's true. No one ever loved you better. I love you, honey. I love you. Love you. Karon no. We have a request na pod by Dandel. Sige ato suway ni Dan. Request Dan. Here's Nais Ko by Rodel Naval. Love Bakit ba lumawalay ka sa piling ko? Nawa na ko. Ikaw pa rin ang laging hanap-hanap ko. Sa damdamin ay palaging naroon ka. Sa kasama ko ay alaala. Alam ko nang nagkamali ako sa'yo. Sinaktan ang pag-ibig at damdamin ko. Sana sa piling ko ikaw ay magbalik, nang muling mabuhay ang ating pag-ibig. Nais ko'y muling mahal ka na, mayakap ka, pagkat pag-ibig mo ang hanap-hanap ko sa bawat sandali. Sinta nawa na is ko'y muling kang magbalik sa piling ko. Laging ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng puso at aking damdamin. Awadan ha, ipagbigyan na ta ka sa iyong mga kuan. So good, wa ta ka na pagbigyan. Karon, tanan ni mo ikuan, ako paniguroon. Bakit ba mawalay ka sa piling ko? Ikaw pa rin ang laging hanap-hanap ko. Sa damdamin ay palaging naroon ka. Ang kasama ko ay alaala. Alam ko nang nagkamali ako sa'yo. Sinaktan ng pag-ibig at damdamin mo. Sana sa piling ko ay kay magbalik, nang muling mabuhay ang ating pag-ibig. Nais ko'y muling mahal ka na, mayakap ka, pagkat pag-ibig mo ang hanap-hanap ko sa bawat sandali. Sinta nais ko'y muling magbalik sa piling ko. Laging ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng puso at aking damdamin. Nais ko'y mayakap ka, pagkat pag-ibig mo ang hanap ng puso. Iubo na lang na. Asa man ang Milanis dan? At aking damdamin. Marag tingatuan man talaga na dan. Magkuha po tubig di. Asan man si kanang kuan? Wala lain request. 100. Ang kanang sana biglang liko katong pink room. Hey, my friend JB. JB's in the house. Why request nga na, Jib? Request. Yeah. This is a night of request. Ay mga request nga na. Sa man to? Sa man to gikanta? Sa man to, Jib? Sa man to gikanta na to? Sige, kaya ako kantahon karon. Ako kantahon karon nang ato gikanta. Kantahan mo si Mamberian, Jib. Oh, ang girl ko yun. Correct. Heaven knows I've done no wrong. Only want to sing this song to you. Why did it have to end this way? Ay, shout out sa ako, Mami Gaga from Mindanao. Asa ka sa Mindanao, Mi? Like me could say to you, if I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'd call you there. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll be there tonight. Sa kuno kanang subscribe sa ako YouTube channel. Moro na ako content, sige akong kanta. Ang ikaw may paborito ni Ma'am Berian, mao nang ikaw mako si Ann Permanente. Only time will tell me so. Ay gunong kutong buntagay ni. All the things I need to know somehow. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll be there. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll be there. How do I find the answers? All the questions I've been hiding inside, and all the fun and laughter shall I have to set aside? If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'd call you there. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll be there. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll be there. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll be there tonight. Yeah. Ako pangan Jib, ako pangan Eli Shade Arenio ang channel. Dili Shade Karaoke, nga ni Shade Karaoke nga ni sa kuan. Sa Facebook. Wapo pati content kayo eh. Will it ever be? I've tried so hard to find sweet serenity. Are you still afraid? Just close your eyes and dream, feel it fade away. Time won't flow, everyone knows when the pain fades away. Dreams won't die, tears in her eyes. You got to hold your head up high. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hold your head up high. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hold your head up high. Taking some time. Now I've given up the will to change your state of mind. Thank you JB. Bitaw, padayon lang good. Moabot ratana. Yeah. Time won't know, everyone knows when the pain fades away. Dreams won't die with tears in their eyes. We've got to hold our head up high. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hold your head up high. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Salamat sa ato viewers karon na mamigaga from Sultan Kudarat, Isulan Sultan Kudarat. Will it ever be? I've tried so hard to find sweet serenity. Try to understand. It's not so hard to see that I am just a man. Time won't flow, and everyone knows when the pain fades away. Dreams won't die, tears in her eyes. You've got to hold your head up high. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, salamat. Salamat, me. Dayo na lang na. Oh, ano yung mga request nga na sa ato viewers? We have 3 viewers. Kasama na ato 3 viewers. Apel na si Dudangan. Okay, nagtigagalaw naman ng gabi. Mga kuadata, mga solemn. No, wait, viewers. Na, 2 viewers. Si Mami Gagaw, nagtanong kung si Mami Gagaw. No. We will have our last song for tonight. Ay, na buto na ako headphone. Sponsored po sa headphone. People say that I'm amazing, I'm strong beyond my years, but they don't see inside of me I'm hiding all the tears. They don't know that I come running home and I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my soul and cry for just a while. It's deep inside this sorrow. Warrior is a child. Unafraid because his armor is the best, but even soldiers need a quiet place to rest. People say that I'm amazing, never faced with me, but they don't see the enemies that lay me at his feet. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my soul and cry for just a while. It's deep inside this summer. The warrior is a child. Fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my soul and look up for a smile. It's deep inside this summer, deep inside this summer. Deep inside this summer, child. Salamat, ay salamat. Salamat sa atong viewers karong adlaw. This is Shade Areño, Shady Karaoke signing off. Ay salamat, ay salamat. Let's go for alcohol to finish your whiskey or beer. Kasing time na. Thank you.